Welcome to Compare to Win. The best pool cleaner is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any pool owner looking to maintain pristine water clarity and reduce the manual labor involved in pool upkeep, and today we're diving deep into one of the top contenders in the market, the Hayward SharkVac, to see if it truly lives up to its reputation as a game-changer for effortless pool maintenance. Number 5. Hayward AquaVac 500 Replacement Filter Elements, 2-pack. Keep your pool sparkling clean with these essential filter elements. Designed for optimal performance, they ensure your water is always inviting. These filter elements are specifically made for your Hayward AquaVac 500 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Enjoy a perfect fit and hassle-free operation. This convenient pack includes 2 replacement filter elements. Having a spare on hand means you can maintain your cleaner's efficiency without interruption. Replacing your old filters is a breeze. Simply remove the old ones and insert the new ones to restore your cleaner's suction power. Crafted for durability, these elements effectively capture debris and fine particles. They are built to last, providing reliable filtration season after season. Don't let clogged filters slow you down. These replacements will help your cleaner perform at its best, tackling dirt and debris with ease. What we like. This is a replacement filter element pack. If you own the Hayward AquaVac 500 and need to maintain its performance, this is the essential part. It ensures your cleaner continues to effectively remove debris from your pool. What people say. The Hayward SharkVac filter is a game-changer for pool maintenance. It effectively captures fine debris, leaving the pool crystal clear. The design is user-friendly, making installation and cleaning a breeze. Number 4. Hayward TigerShark QC Robotic Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Hayward TigerShark QC, your ultimate solution for a sparkling clean pool. It's designed to make pool maintenance a breeze. Choose between a rapid 90-minute clean or a thorough 4-hour cycle. It navigates every inch of your pool, leaving no debris behind. With its integrated pump, it powerfully sucks up dirt, leaves, and other debris. It efficiently cleans pools up to 20 by 40 feet. This cleaner operates with a 24-volt motor, saving energy while ensuring superior cleanliness. Enjoy a pristine pool without the high energy costs. Forget complicated setups, it runs independently of your pool's filtration system. Emptying is as simple as rinsing a cartridge, giving you more time to enjoy your pool. What we like. If you're looking for a fast and efficient pool cleaning solution, this robotic cleaner is a great choice. Its 90-minute quick clean mode is perfect for those times when you need your pool ready in a hurry. It also operates independently of your pool's filtration system, saving you energy and reducing wear on your main filter. What people say. The Hayward SharkVac filter is designed for efficient debris collection, trapping fine particles and larger debris alike. Its robust construction ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for pool maintenance. The filter's easy-to-clean design simplifies maintenance, allowing for quick removal and rinsing of captured debris. Number 3. Hayward SharkVac W3RC9740 CUB Robotic Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Hayward SharkVac, your ultimate solution for a sparkling clean pool. This advanced cleaner navigates your pool with intelligent steering, ensuring every inch is spotless. It meticulously cleans floors, coves, walls, and even the waterline, delivering a comprehensive clean in just 3 hours. Enjoy more time relaxing and less time cleaning. Maintenance is a breeze with its top access filter. Simply remove and rinse the fine porosity elements with a garden hose for quick and easy cleanup. Forget complicated setups. This cleaner operates independently of your pool's filtration system, requiring no extra hoses or pumps. This also means less filter backwashing and reduced water usage. Equipped with smart sensors, it automatically protects its motor by preventing operation out of water. The beach entry sensor ensures it reverses direction when approaching the pool's edge. What we like. For a thorough and hassle-free clean of your in-ground pool, consider this option. Its smart steering technology ensures it covers all areas, including walls and the waterline, in about 3 hours. The easy top access filter makes maintenance a breeze, and its independent operation saves on water usage. What people say. The Hayward SharkVac filter is a game-changer for pool maintenance. Its advanced filtration system captures even the finest debris, leaving your pool crystal clear. I was impressed by the SharkVac's efficient cleaning cycle. It covers the entire pool floor and walls, scrubbing away dirt and algae with ease. The design of the Hayward SharkVac is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the pool. Number 2. KEEPOW filter replacement for Shark Vertex vacuum. Keep your Shark vacuum running smoothly with these replacement filters. They are designed to be a perfect fit for various Shark Vertex and DuoClean models, ensuring optimal performance. Experience a cleaner home with our advanced filtration system. These filters effectively trap 99.98% of impurities, including dust, pet dander, and allergens, for a healthier environment. Save money and reduce waste with our washable and reusable filters. Simply rinse them under water and let them air dry for continued use. For best results, replace every 3 months. Replacing your vacuum's filter has never been easier. These filters are designed for quick and simple installation, allowing you to get back to cleaning in no time. This value pack includes 4 high-quality filter replacements. We are confident in our product and offer a satisfaction guarantee for any issues you may encounter. What we like. If you own a Shark Vertex or DuoClean stick vacuum and want to maintain peak suction power, these replacement filters are a must-have. They effectively trap fine dust and allergens, and being washable means you can reuse them, offering great value. They are designed for easy installation, ensuring your vacuum is always ready to tackle dirt. What people say. The Hayward SharkVac filters are easy to install and maintain. The SharkVac effectively cleans the pool floor and walls, removing debris. The filter design allows for easy access and cleaning of the filter cartridges. Number 1. Polaris 8050 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Polaris 8050 Sport, your ultimate solution for a sparkling clean pool. This automatic cleaner navigates every surface and climbs walls to ensure a thorough clean, right up to the tile line. Designed for in-ground swimming pools up to 40 feet, it handles any size with ease. Enjoy a pristine pool without the hassle. Experience premium cleaning performance with its cyclonic vacuum technology that captures debris without losing suction. The transparent lid lets you see when it's full, and the push NGO canister makes emptying a breeze. For over 40 years, Polaris has been a leader in automatic pool cleaners, known for quality and innovation. Trust in a brand that delivers the best. This package includes a 50-foot cable, a 4L debris canister, and a premium caddy for convenient transport and storage. Get ready for effortless pool maintenance. What we like. If you have an in-ground pool up to 40 feet and desire premium cleaning performance with minimal effort, this robotic cleaner is ideal. Its strong suction and wall climbing capabilities ensure a comprehensive clean, while the easy-access transparent lid and shake-and spray canister make emptying debris a clean and simple task. What people say. The filter is easy to install and use. It effectively cleans the pool, removing debris and dirt. The filter is durable and has lasted for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.